Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to install PostgreSQL and pgAdmin. First thing first, fire up your web browser and search for PostgreSQL. On the result page, I'm going to click on the first link. And then on the official website, I will select download. Then on the packages installer, I'm going to select Windows since I'm using a Windows machine. Next, I'm going to click on download the installer. Now on the download page, we have different PostgreSQL version. The version 17.RC1 stands for release candidate. A release candidate is a version of the software that is in its final stages of development, but may still have some bugs and minor issues. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be downloading 16.4, which is the stable version of PostgreSQL. It has fully been tested and is considered ready for production use. And here my download should begin in few seconds. So now my download is completed, so I'm going to open my download folder. And here you can see I have the two different versions, the latest version and then we have the stable version. So I'm going to double check on the latest version to begin the installation. Now I'm going to click next to follow the installation wizard. I'm going to leave the installation directory, click next. Here you can choose to deselect the stack builder, but PostgreSQL server and pgAdmin is compulsory, is required. So I'm going to leave that and click next. Choose your data directory. I'm going to leave that by default and click next. Now I'm going to provide a password for my database super user. So make sure you remember this in future. I'm going to leave the default ports and then click next. The local cluster, I'll leave it by default and click next. Here you can review your pre-installation. If everything is okay, then click next. Click next to begin the installation. So the installation is complete. So I'm just going to deselect the stack builder because we don't need that for now, and then hit on finish. Now that we have successfully installed PostgreSQL, now it's time to navigate to our system, and then I'm going to do a search for pgAdmin. So I'm going to select that and wait until it loads to the screen. And that's it, folks. You've successfully installed PostgreSQL and PGAdmin on your Windows machine. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech content. Let me know in the comments if you have any issues or questions. Until then, happy coding.